fire emoji, phones, laptops, smartwatches, earbuds and more. Ultimate Tech Review. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are checking out the iQOO Neo 10, a new mid-range smartphone that's packing some serious performance. Starting with the design, the Neo 10 features a sleek and modern look. It comes in two colors, Inferno Red and Titanium Chrome, and has a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The display also gets extremely bright, peaking at 5500 nits, which is great for outdoor use. Under the hood, the phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Performance is smooth, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It also has a dedicated Q1 chip that enhances the gaming experience. Coming to the cameras, there's a dual rear setup with a 50MP main sensor that supports optical image stabilization, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera. You can record up to 4K video at 60 frames per second with both front and rear cameras. Battery life is another highlight. The iQOO Neo 10 includes a massive 7000 mAh battery and supports 120 watts fast charging, so you can fully charge it in around 27 minutes. There's also a bypass charging feature, helpful for gamers to reduce heat during long sessions. It runs on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15, and includes features like an in-display fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, stereo speakers, and an IP65 rating for dust and splash resistance. Now, here are the pros and cons. Pros: excellent performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Q1 gaming chip, bright and fluid AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, huge 7000 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging, capable cameras with 4K 60fps support, future-ready features, Wi-Fi 7, Android 15, IP65 ons, no telephoto or macro lens, only splash resistant, IP65, not fully waterproof. FunTouch OS may not appeal to stock Android fans, no micro SD card support, best fit for if you're a mobile gamer, a power user, or someone who needs a long-lasting battery without sacrificing performance. The iQOO Neo 10 is made for you. It's also great for content creators who shoot a lot of 4K video, and for users who want flagship-level features at a mid-range price. Conclusion: to sum it up, the iQOO Neo 10 offers flagship-like power, fast charging, and a buttery-smooth display at an attractive price point. While it does cut a few corners in the camera department, it easily makes up for it with performance and battery life. For 31,999 rupees, it's a strong contender in the mid-range segment and definitely worth considering. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.